Let's talk about how you can plan your YouTube content on Notion so you can create more content in less time and as a result, make more money. Hey, I'm Shantae and I'm here to help you start and scale your online business using YouTube. So recently, I helped my client grow her small YouTube channel by 1,100 subscribers in just 4 months. And it grew to a point where she got over 80,000 views per month from her YouTube channel. And let me tell you, this would not have been possible if we didn't follow a proper content calendar. And the content calendar platform we used is none other than Notion. Now, if you're not familiar with Notion, Notion is an all-in-one project management or task management tool that you can use to plan your YouTube content from start to finish. You can actually plan multiple pieces of content for other platforms on this tool as well. So it's amazing, amazing. And best of all, it is free to use. Now, I'm going to jump over to my computer right now and show you exactly how we planned my client's YouTube channel content using Notion. Okay, so here we are inside the Notion YouTube content calendar that I was speaking about. So this is the calendar that I'm using currently for my YouTube channel. Now, the calendar that I used for my client's YouTube channel is exactly the same one, but since I didn't want to come and show her YouTube content on here, I'm just showing mine instead. So as you can see here, we have the YouTube ideas section over here. Now here, we just insert the ideas that we get. So if I think a YouTube video could do well on my channel, and I did my research, I identified a topic that I want to talk about, I can just come and put it in here. So I can create a new one. So let's say, for example, I have now found an idea that's about YouTube equipment for beginners. So let's say I identified that idea, then I'd go ahead and just choose the content topic that I'm talking about. So the content topics on my channel, I currently talk about YouTube marketing, but I am planning on talking about passive income and productivity on my channel in the future. So that is why these other content topics are over here. Then I'd go ahead and search for a primary keyword that I could possibly use for this video. Now, the SEO research is going to have a big impact on whether I choose to actually create this video or not. So after I found a keyword, I can say this video is currently in the idea stage. You don't have to immediately create the YouTube video. When you put a YouTube video in this section, it means it is an idea. Only when you decide that you want to create a YouTube video. So let's say, for example, I want to create this YouTube equipment for beginners video. Then I can go ahead and I can simply copy this video and I can move down here and create a new idea in the content calendar. So once I've done that, I can now put this idea in progress because I decided I want to actually create this video now. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this card, and as you can see here, I inserted different fields into this content calendar. So I am going to choose a date that I want this video to be published by. So let's say, for example, I want to publish this video by the 28th of December. Then I'll just insert that date. Now, it is in the idea phase of the YouTube content calendar. So this is the very first phase between all of the phases that we're going to go through to actually create this video. So now, once I've included these tags, you'll see here I can also include my thumbnail once I've designed it. So this just makes it easy to access my thumbnail whenever I want to actually upload the video. Now, you'll see here in this content calendar that I created 2 different templates. Now, this works amazingly well. So since I am planning to make this one a YouTube long form video, I'm going to click on the long form template over here. This is something that made it really easy for my client and me to actually plan our videos out in advance, all in one place. So as you can see, there are spaces here where you can include the title, you can include the call to action of the video, so whether you want the video to refer people to another video on your channel or to a lead magnet. You can also write your script in this template. So you can simply click down and write your script over here, your introduction, your body, copy, and your outro. You can then also include your keywords. your description, your pinned comment, and you also have space here to include ideas for YouTube shorts for this specific video. I always recommend that my clients create at least one YouTube short for every long form YouTube video that they have. And here at the bottom, you can see there are options to repurpose this video for other platforms as well. Now, let me show you how this looks when a video is actually planned out. So over here, we can see here are the videos that I already published. So this is typically how a YouTube video is going to look once you're done with it. So as you can see here, I have the title of the video, the call to action, the introduction, the body copy, the outro, and so on. I included my description over here. I included my pinned comments, and I also included an idea for a YouTube short that I could create. Now from here, let's say I wanted to create a YouTube short from this specific video. Then I could simply go ahead, I could copy this title. I could move on to idea, and I could come and insert it over here. Then I could pick the YouTube short template, and as you can see, I can write my idea down here and my script for the YouTube short as well. Now, something that I like to do for my own content is I like to differentiate between the long form videos and the short videos by simply saying here, YouTube short. So this way I know that this YouTube short is the same as the long form video, but it's just the short version. Then as I go through the process and I start scripting the video, so let's say now this YouTube equipment for beginners, I'm now ready to actually script the video. I can move it over to here and I can go and start scripting the video by going into the intro and starting my scripting process. After I'm done with the script, I can actually move it forward and film the video. And so it can move forward through the entire process until it is finally at this published stage. Something else that's really great about this calendar is you can actually view it on a calendar mode, so you can see when which video is due to be published. So this way I can keep track of which content I need to publish by when. Now finally, let's say I am done now with this YouTube equipment for beginners and it is now in the no tags or in the published phase, then I can simply come here at the top and put it in published. So now I know I don't have to look at this idea anymore because it is already done. Now, if you like this Notion content calendar and you would like to have it for yourself to plan your YouTube content, you can snag it down below in my description box or in the comments down below. I have it as a template that I designed specifically for this purpose to help you create YouTube content a lot faster so that you can make more money with your YouTube channel. So if you like this video, then you don't want to miss the next video, because in this video up here, I show you exactly how you can use the methods that I just taught you and grow your YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers and beyond. Included in this video, you'll find the 5 steps you can follow to choose the right type of content to create for your channel so you can grow it like never before.